We have like what we call an event, right? An improvement event. And we get the people operating the line together and we share some information with them. We give them a way to look at work a little bit differently. Things like a spaghetti diagram. Let's have an outline of the work area and let's trace how many steps you take or where you walk throughout the day. We found some people were walking up to 5 miles in an 8-hour shift, going back and forth, and it wasn't in a very big space, but they don't realize how much movement they have going on. We don't time them, we have them time themselves. And what's interesting is a lot of people will not time the stuff outside of what the actual work is. When they have to go get information, they have to go talk to their supervisor, or they have to go get a part, something like that, they stop the clock and like, oh, I have to go get this so I can continue doing the work and I can start the clock. No, that's part of the day. Why do you have to go get that part? And so we get them to start questioning those things. And then we brainstorm when we talk about how to balance out the work. We walk through that and then we have them go out and try it. Okay, so lay out the work area the way that you think is going to reduce all that walking, the way that you're going to be able to see what's coming and what's going, and what where you need to work or put more of your efforts at. And so they do it and they run it, and they're surprised because one is like I've heard many times, I can't believe I'm not as tired going home. I actually have some energy. This process was so much faster, or this was the bottleneck. This was what's really holding things up. They have that skill, and so then they can take that to the next production line. We find somebody who's really good at it, and we say, okay, you're going to be the company person who's going to start going around and facilitating these things, or training the other teammates on how to do this process.